When it comes to the house flipping process, an ounce of preparation can save you thousands of dollars in the future. One of the biggest tasks you face is getting a fast and accurate cost estimate. Introducing Takeoff Lite, the most cost-effective, elegantly simple takeoff and estimating software for flippers. At just $20 per month, its value proposition for the flipper is a no-brainer. Takeoff Lite is built around an internal spreadsheet that acts and looks just like the familiar Microsoft Excel format, so you're ready to start estimating immediately. We've added some additional features to this format that make it even easier to navigate and use, such as toggling column views and the ability to collapse lines into a summary. Takeoff Lite uses artificial intelligence technology to scan your work items and then ask you a series of questions in an easy-to-follow interview process. The artificial intelligence also scans for the math that needs to take place after your questions are answered, and then calculates your takeoff quantities accordingly. With these powerful features, you can complete a full repair estimate in as little as 1 minute. In those rare instances where you do not know quantities or dimensions, but you have a floor plan or other architectural drawing for reference, you can use Takeoff Lite's measurement feature. With the measurement feature, area square footage, wall lengths, and counts are just a few mouse clicks away, and available to drop into the interview. All these benefits and many, many more are just $20 per month. So sign up with Takeoff Lite, and we'll have you set up so you can start making your business easier, faster, and more profitable today.